Hey guys, so we have installed the dash cam on this vehicle quite a long time ago, and we had it on one of our YouTube channels, one of our YouTube videos, and we have shown the front and rear camera. And we got some nice comments, but we also got some comments that are saying that the rear camera is on the wrong side and the rear window won't be able to open. And we have explained that our technicians check up everything before they do the installation, and they confirm that in this car the window opens to the left, not to the right. Actually, if you are sitting and looking forward, so it's actually to your right side, not to your left side, but anyway it's pointing away from the camera. And obviously comments are kept on coming, so we got the vehicle here again. The reason is this vehicle right now we are removing the camera so the customer can have it installed on his new vehicle, but we opened the window just to show you, and as you can see the camera is on the behind the driver's side, and the window opens towards the passenger side. Again, it's behind the driver's side and the window opens towards the passenger side, which means, as we explained before, it does not interfere. So I'm not sure if the people that had the comment had F-150s or maybe they had different versions, but every vehicle is opening in different direction. Our technicians always make sure it's open in the right direction and doesn't interfere to our installations. For more videos, subscribe to our channels, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.